Hey guys, we are going to go over the answers for quarter one, week one, um, Monday and Tuesday Spou review. I'm posting these on Schoology so you can go back and check them if you are working from home. So our answers for Monday, remember some of this is new stuff that we have not seen before. So just do your best with it and make sure you look over these videos or ask your teacher any questions that you have about them. Our first one, how many tens and ones are there in the number 75? Okay, well, this is place value. This is what we've been working on. So we have 7 tens and 5 ones. All right, completing the fact family with these three numbers. We have 5, 5, and 10. So we can add the 5 plus 5 to get 10. Well, we would flip-flop these numbers, but since they're the same, it's going to be the same. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And in a subtraction problem, the biggest number comes first. So it would be 10 minus 5 equals 5. And we would flip-flop these 5s again in a subtraction problem. The 10 would always stay first. But since it's the same numbers again, it's going to be the same one. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. All right, for this one, our number is 14. And it wants to know what 1 more than 14 is. So if we add 1 to 14, so if you're looking at a number chart, you're going to go this way, 1 spot on the number chart, and adding 1 to 14 would be 15. 1 less would go this way on a number chart. 1 less than 14 would be 13. To add 10 more, you're going to go down 1 spot on a number chart. So that would be 24. And 10 less would go up 1 spot, which would be 4. All right, we're going to find the missing number in this addition problem. So what number plus 8 equals 13? So you can, if you need to draw 13 lines and cross out 8 of them to see what your number is, you would get 5. And you can check your answer by checking to see if 5 plus 8 equals 13. And for this one, 14 minus what number equals 8? Well, we can check our answer with this by saying 14 minus 8 to see what the answer is. So 14 minus 8 would be 6. So we can check our answer with this by saying, does 6 plus 8? Remember we talked about, we looked at fact families. So 6 plus 8, check to make sure that that equals 14. All right, circle the equation that's true. So one of these is true and one of them is wrong. So 16 minus 7 equals 10, or 8 plus 11 equals 19. 16 minus 7 would not be 10. 16 minus 6 would be 10. That would make it true. And 8 plus 11 is 19 because you have 8 plus 1 is 9 for your ones and leave your 10. So that would be 19. All right, this next one, we're going to look at the word problems. The word problem, I need 14 pencils. So I'm going to underline 14 pencils because that is an important part of this word problem to share with my class. I have 8 so far. How many more pencils do I still need? All right, it wants to know how many more I still need. So in order to find the answer, I'm going to have to say 14 minus 8 And just like this is part of the fact family that's up here. So our answer is 6. So remember, in a word problem, after you write your number, you have to write your units. So you're going to need 6 pencils. All right, we're going to look at place value again. We have 2 ones in this number, 342. We have 4 tens, and we have 3 hundreds. All right, now let's look at Tuesday's Spou review. This one says underline the digits in the digit in the tens place. This is our tens place. Remember, our ones place is first, and then our tens place. This is our tens place. All right, complete each family of facts. So this is just like these over here, except this time we have 3 different numbers. So in addition, we're going to use our 2 smaller numbers. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. And then we can come over here and flip-flop and say 6 plus 2 equals 8. In addition, the big number comes after the equal sign. Oop. And then in subtraction, our big number comes first. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. But then our big number again, 8 minus 2 equals 6. So with these 3 numbers, we created a fact family with 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems. All right, and this one, if you use a number chart, with the number 26, if we add one more going this way, it would be 27. If we subtract 1 or go 1 less, we're going this way 1 block. So that would be 25. 10 more would be going down 1 block. That would be 36. And 10 less would be going up 1 block, which would be 16. All right, find the missing number. 12 plus what number equals 18? So again, if you want, you can draw 18 lines. You can use counters, whatever manipulatives you want to, and cross out or take away 12 of them to get your answer. And your answer would be 6. And you can check your answer. 12 plus 6. So we have 12, and then we would have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 to check your answer. All right, find the missing number. What number minus 5 equals 11? So let's check it by saying 11 minus 5. So let's draw 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we're going to cross out 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? Miss Dennis was just doing this one wrong. What number? All right, this is subtraction, so it's going to be a bigger number. So we are actually, in order to find out what number we subtract 5 from to get 11, we are going to say, find the answer by saying 11 plus 5. So we're going to add 5 to 11. So 11 plus 5 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Sorry, Miss Dennis was doing that one wrong. So 16 minus 5 equals 11. All right, find the sum. Sum means it's the answer to an addition problem. So we have 3 numbers here. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to talk about this year about finding a 10. So once you learn this, you'll know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. So finding your 10 first usually makes addition easier. And then we can add our 5 to that 10, and we have 15. All right, our word problem, remember we underlined the important parts of it. There are 12 markers in the box. I put 5 more in. How many markers are now in the box? Okay, we added 5 more, so that means we're going to add. So we're going to say 12 plus 5. Now this one asked how many more, so it's asking for a difference, so that's why we subtracted. This one says you put 5 more in, so we're adding 5, and 12 plus 5 is 17. All right, we're going to write the number. We have 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 0 ones. So our number is 540. And we will go complete Wednesdays today, and the video to check it will be on Schoology tomorrow.